how are you guys doing today? Hopefully you're doing amazing. And I just got back from my vacation, which is pretty exciting. Well, our vacation road trip, whatever you want to call it. It was like super fun. I have some other videos on my channel of that, just like how I did the mountain coaster. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go watch it. But I want to show you something. You may or may not have seen this already, but look how cute it is. It's a flip sequin llama that I got at Great Wolf Lodge. Like, isn't it so adorable? And I decided when I got home, put it next to my flip sequin bear. They're both so pretty. And since we've gotten home from our road trip, we've been super busy, like doing all kinds of crazy stuff. And I also started a new art project, so I'm gonna show you guys that. It looks a little strange right now, but that's because it is a paint by number. So there's different numbers and they like tell you which color to do. And that's all I've gotten done in a couple days. So it's pretty time consuming, but it's gonna be a jellyfish at the end. So I think it'll look pretty cool. And there's like a couple like fish. I think the fish will look pretty cute. And hopefully I'll have it done like in the next couple weeks. I'll have to update you guys on that. I got a few other super cute things on the road trip that I have to show you. And by the way, doesn't this like match my shirt so good today? Like, I thought it matched pretty good, right? I hope so. Okay, so as you all know, my famous fox collection. Well, on the road trip, I picked up a few more. So I got this super cute one when we were at a resort with a pool. It's kind of like Great Wolf Lodge, but a little different. So that's where I got this one, very cute. And then that red panda I got at Great Wolf Lodge, adorable. And I also got that fox in the middle, that one. I also got that one at Great Wolf Lodge. Oh, I almost forgot, I got this one too. I actually got that one at a candy shop. Kind of funny, right? I got this super cute lamp on the road trip too. I have a couple of these, like the unicorn, the palm tree down there, the love sign down there. Oh, by the way, I like reorganized this and it looks a lot better now. Anyways, so I'll show you guys how it works. I mean, pretty simple, you just turn on the button. But isn't it like so cute? Like, I just love it so much. It's adorable, I love it. Hey, if it's in my collection. Something else I've done since we got home from our road trip is reorganize my desk a little bit. I'm sure you guys all remember how this looked before. It was like the Hawaii section, but I've kind of redone it and made it a little bit neater. I just have color pencils and some art projects that I've done. Same with this side, just a lot less cluttered. I also painted these two on the road trip. So this one and that one, I painted them in Texas. Oh yes, and that fox too. I've also been like going through all this like old art I found, and some of it's good, but some of it's not as good, but I've just been like looking at it, and it's just like interesting to look at my old art. It's kind of fun. I also on the road trip started reading this book series, Wings of Fire. It's actually pretty good. Like, I love it so far. In this series so far, out of 14 books, I've read, let's see, I think 11, and I'm on the 12th book right now. And I was so obsessed with them. I literally read them so fast that I had to like try to purposely read slower so I didn't finish the 14 before the 15th book comes out. Do you guys have that problem too with like reading a good book but you read it too fast and you don't get to enjoy it fully? Or is it just me? Okay, I just had pasta for lunch like a couple minutes ago and it was so good. I actually like invented, I guess, this new type of pasta sauce. It's kind of like the same sauce that I use for cheesy chicken and rice dish that I always make. It's almost like a tongue twister, cheesy chicken and rice. Yeah, well anyways, it was almost like the same sauce from that, but I add a little more basil and more seasonings, and sometimes I even add some Parmesan and different kinds of cheese in too. And it's kind of like an Alfredo sauce, I guess, but yeah, I just add that to my pasta and it's very good. So if you want to try it, all you have to do is go to the cheesy chicken and rice recipe on our channel, follow the sauce recipe, and then you can add maybe a little bit of cheese to that if you want, and then you'll have the sauce. Perfect. Also, here's a little sneak peek of what I'm going to be doing later today, so keep watching the video. It's going to be awesome. Whoops, I just realized I accidentally left my dessert bowl in here from last night, so let's go put that away. Okay, while I'm down here, I think I'm gonna get a little snack. You know, I'm in the pantry looking around, and I almost feel like a drink would be better right now. I don't know why, but a Snapple sounds pretty good. And we never usually buy Snapple lemonades, but for some reason we did. I don't know why, just out of the blue, but they're in our fridge, so I'm gonna go drink one. Ooh, this looks so good. The watermelon and lemonade flavor is actually really good. Like, it's a little sour, but I love it. Oh, look. Watermelon. Okay, I'm just gonna set my phone down while you guys watch me open and drink this. This is not sponsored. I just really like the Snapple watermelon lemonade, that's all. I mean, it is pretty good. Can you imagine if I did get sponsored by Snapple and they sent me some free ones one day? That would be pretty crazy. I would love that. Anyways, if you do see them, you should get them. They're pretty good. It's like so sour, but I love it. Like I've been saying, ever since we got home from our road trip, we've been super busy and unpacking and stuff. I actually finished cleaning my room and unpacking all in like 2 days, so I'm pretty proud of myself for that. I put like all my clothes away, and oh well, there is stuff on the floor, but that's because I just got it out because I was planning on going swimming later today. Also, we recently just found out something super awesome that our comments are back on the Family Fun Fact channel. So go to the Family Fun Fact channel and make sure you comment. That would be awesome. I almost forgot to show you guys, but I actually just finished this watercolor fox recently. I know it's not the best, but I think I did the eyes a little funny. But overall, I like it. It was practice. And I actually used this one as a reference to draw that one, which is kind of cool. You know, speaking of art, I think that I'm actually going to start to go to art lessons soon, which is going to be so amazing. I'm so excited because I've actually never had art lessons in my entire life. I guess I've just kind of been self-taught at art. Like, no one really taught me how to do it. I guess we had some classes in school, but not often at all. So yes, I am very excited. And we actually did do the same art class once before, but not very long. So it's gonna be awesome. This is very random, but I wanted to show you guys something that I recently got in my bathroom, which is like random, like I said. But it's actually a vitamin container, but it's like so cute, right? You know, now that I think of it, I'm pretty sure we only bought it because it had like a really cute package. I mean, be honest, which one would you rather buy? And they actually taste really good, and they're not like too hard to chew. Like, they're easy to chew. And in case you didn't know this, I hate swallowing vitamins. Like, it's the worst. I actually am pretty good at it, but I still don't like it. I only like the chewable ones. So thank goodness they don't only have chewable kids vitamins, because I'm not that good at swallowing pills. Also, since I'm going to be swimming soon, I was planning on wearing my mermaid tail because I haven't gotten to in over 3 months. I know we were on a road trip for about 3 months, but even before that, for a few months, it was like winter, so I didn't even get to wear it at all. So yeah, I haven't swum in it in a very long time, so I'm pretty excited to do that too. I have a bunch of different colors, but I think today I'm gonna do pink and green. And something kind of funny is that Chris and Zach, like, whenever they see me swimming in my mermaid tail, they're like, oh my gosh, that's so cool, can I try? And I'm like, well, I mean, sure, if you really want to be a mermaid, well, merman, I guess, I don't know. And I was like, well, yeah, sure, if you want to. So I actually let them try, and believe it or not, they were actually pretty good at it. Like, I was impressed. And it's funny that they find those things, like, cool, like, people would think it's like more for girls or whatever, but I mean, they like doing it. It's fun for them. So they actually started like Googling and like searching like the ones that look like shark fins or something, because they wanted to buy those. It was kind of cute and funny. And so because I'm like super nice, just kidding. Well, because I'm like nice, I let them borrow this one right here. Wow, I'm so generous. Oh my gosh, I just looked out my window and I saw a bug. It's so gross. Ew, there it is. Well, that's gross. And something else that's gross, I actually found a spider in my room the other day, and I guess that makes sense because I got home from a road trip, but still, it's gross. I hate bugs. You know what? I think I'm actually gonna go swim now, and then as soon as I'm done, I have something super exciting planned. So stay tuned. And when I'm in the pool, I'm gonna show you guys that. I will keep filming, and I'm gonna be wearing my mermaid tail, so that'll be fun. First, I have to take my slippers off, and now I have to get my bathing suit on. I was planning on wearing this one. Okay, I have my bathing suit on. I'm getting in the pool now, and it feels so refreshing. I'm gonna put my tail on now. Okay, I'm done swimming now. I've dried my hair, and now I'm gonna go check out this really cool thing that I got in the mail. I got this huge and super awesome orbeez box. I am so excited to use it. And I started growing all these orbeez. Ooh, they look so cool. So now I'm gonna open this box and play with the orbeez inside. Okay, now I'm going to dump the orbeez in here, and it's going to be insanely cool. These ones look so pretty. Okay, I was looking in the box, and then I realized I had a ton more orbeez, so I'm gonna start growing those right now. There's 75,000 orbeez in here. That's crazy. I'm about to dye these whatever color I want, and I think it's gonna look super pretty. Okay, I'm about to dye them. I'm very excited. Ooh, it's gonna be so pretty. Ooh, I think I can add a little bit of blue. This is going to be so pretty. Ooh, I love it already. Oh my gosh. It's gonna look so cool. Okay, it's the next day and these are looking very pretty. They got blended a little bit, but that's okay. I love how they look. And now it's time to put all the rest of these orbeez, which I let grow overnight. Ooh, look how pretty. Anyways, it is time to put all of these in the box. It kind of got messy in here, but that's okay. It'll totally be worth it. Okay, time for the first bottle. Ooh, they look pretty. Oh my gosh, the orbeez literally feel so cool. There's so many. These are literally so satisfying. I think I could play with them all day long. Okay, so this video was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later. Subscribe.